Hi family, so let's go over the quiz that we did today. Up here are the directions, which tells you exactly how to solve the problem. So we're only going to do 1 to 2 problems from each section. So first off, we have 1/2 plus 2/3. The problem here is we can't add them because they have different denominators, 2 and 3. The easiest way to do this is to multiply the fractions by the other denominators. So we're going to multiply this 1/2 fraction by 3, and we'll multiply 2/3 by 2. Next, let's convert these fractions. So after multiplying by 3, 1/3 becomes 3/6. And then after multiplying it by 2, 2/3 become 4/6. So we just add that, which gives us 7/6. And because this is an improper fraction, we'll convert it into a mixed number. We could do that by dividing it. So first we think, how many times can 6 fit into 7? Well, it can only fit one time. And if we subtract that amount from 7, we get 1 left. And this is actually where our answer is. Our whole number is going to be 1. Our numerator is going to be 1 because this is what is left over. And then our denominator is what we were dividing by, which is 6. So this is our final answer. Let's move on to number 2. We're going to use the same process where we multiply each fraction by the other denominator. So 8/12 becomes 88/132 plus, and then 8/11 become 8 times 11 is 88 plus 8 is 96/132. And then if we add that up, 88 plus 96, we get 14. Carry the 1. 1 plus 8 is 9, plus 9 is 18/132. This is an improper fraction, so we have to subtract that amount. We know that 132, or divide it, we know that 132 goes into 184 one time. And if we subtract that amount, what we are left with is 52. So again, our whole number is 1. Our numerator is what's left over, and our denominator stays the same. So that is. Let's do one subtraction problem because it's the same steps, we're just subtracting. So same thing, we are going to multiply each fraction by the opposite denominator. So I'll multiply 5/7 by 3, and I'll multiply 2/3 by 7. So 5/7 becomes 15/21 minus, and 2/3 become 14/21, which gives us our final answer of 1/21. And let me just make sure that really looks like a 1. There you go. Now let's go into converting improper fractions to mixed numbers. So first, it's really a division problem. So we really want to see, let's do some mini math on the side. 113 divided by 12. How many times can 12 fit into 113? Well, I know 12 times 10 equals 120. So that might be a little bit too much. So let's go back and do 12 times 9. That would be 108. That makes sense. So we know that 12 can fit into 113 9 times. 9 times. So if we subtract that from the total, Our remainder, or what becomes our numerator, is 5. 5, and our denominator is the same, 12. And just for those studying, you could screenshot this, pause this, and see if you could figure out the rest. In about 5 seconds, I'll actually show you guys all the answers to this, and you could check to see if you got it right. So this is the rest of the answers to the problem. I did not simplify the answers, so if you simplified it and got something different, you can check with a partner, check a calculator, and if you feel like I got something wrong, or if you feel like you did something wrong and you're not sure, follow up with me the next day.